very warm welcome once again to Metro Heights. I'm your host Adar. कैसे हैं आप लोग? So viewers, well viewers, today we are in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. It's a city of Tamil Nadu, and we are at Nuggets Kids. Nuggets Kids, as you all know, we have with first of all, let me introduce Vasudha ji. We have with us Vasudha ji, who is a brand proprietor of Nuggets Kids. And Nuggets Kids, as the name indicates, it deals in kids wear. Okay. So we have hosted a lot many episodes of Nuggets Kids on our channel Metro Heights with very good response. Purely due to, you can say, fabric quality, exceptional or exclusive designs, customization, timely delivery, So there are a lot many factors, which makes the episode, video successful. Okay. So we welcome Vasudha ji to our channel Metro Heights, and parallelly we welcome every one of you to our channel Metro Heights, and whoever have subscribed to our channel recently, thank you very much, and who have not subscribed, please do so by hitting the bell icon so that you get latest videos from us. Okay, and you can reap the benefit. Well viewers, today's episode is going to be based on kids wear, both boys and girls, starting from 0 size ending 18 years of age.
Yeah.
Right. So customization is always possible, as I mentioned earlier, and there are some articles which are ready to ship, so that can be immediately shipped. Otherwise, it will take some time, say for example 4 to 5 days at least.
Yeah.
Okay, if you have bulk order requirement or some kind of customization. So viewers, please pay attention before we actually start. A few common things to be announced. No COD, only only prepayments are allowed. Prepayments are allowed. That is 100% advance payment. No free shipping, I think. Is shipping free?
On orders above 1,500,
1,500 value orders, shipping will be absolutely free. On retail orders, mind you, only retail orders, and that too within India. Okay, wholesale has been introduced. Okay, but Vasudha ji will explain the terms and conditions of wholesale buying. I will not be talking much about it on that topic. Delivery is as well across the globe. Parcel opening video is always mandatory for highlighting any kind of manufacturing defect. Okay, and that too 360 degrees, uncut, unedited. And the same should be highlighted within a span of 7 working days. Please do not procrastinate, because otherwise it becomes very difficult for the seller to keep a track of your queries. Okay, in case if you have any doubts, or there is any quality manufacturing defect in any of the articles. Well, I'm done with almost all the points. So without any further delay, we get started. I give control to Vasudha ji.
Sure.
Over to you, Vasudha ji.
Thank you so much for once again taking time out to visit Coimbatore and our store, Nuggets
Thank
Kids.
you.
I remember the first ever collection that I launched through Metro Heights. I think first ever collection of mine ever was on Raksha Bandhan.
Raksha Bandhan,
Rakhi,
yeah.
and the brother-sister combination was a super hit, which I did not anticipate or expect. So I think this was the starting point for me, I think, way back in time, that led me to create more and more collections. And I think we're coming back for Rakhi Edit this time.
Rakhi Edit, yes.
So, ever since we started, we moved away from made to order to ready to ship. We had items which were shipped within like 48 hours, all readily, prepared and kept in stock. But, because certain items can only be done for certain occasions, we also have made to order right now. So I'll tell you as and when we go through the video which items are ready to ship and which are in the made to order category. Ready to ship items will be shipped within 48 hours. Made to order will take 5 to 7 business days. So if you are planning for Rakhi, just make sure you probably like place the order within 2 days of the video release for us to be able to dispatch the orders in time for you to reach, for it to reach before the festival kicks in. So just be mindful of that. Otherwise, for any size inquiries, size help, custom measurements, if you want to like us to be present in the video call when you take the measurements, we are happy to do all of that. So kids is, I think, like you can't go by age. You have to like be aware of the kid's actual
Every kid
size.
differs in size.
Yes.
Some are very healthy, chubby. Some are skinny. Some are average height or average
Taller,
weight.
shorter.
So it's like tall, short. So there's so many factors to be decided before we actually dispatch. So please bear in mind that you take correct size and get correct article.
Yes.
Okay, at your place.
Happy to support in all of your steps. So if you want any help with what's the final garment chest, what's the length of the shirt, shorts, whatever you want, you can reach out to us. We're happy to support you there.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So I think without any delay, we get started now.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me check this out.
Good.
Rakshabandhan
Yes,
articles.
the first is
It's
going to be Rakhi Edit. We
Rakhi
have
Edit, yeah.
all of what I'm going to show is made to order. So we will take time before we dispatch the items to you. These are customizable. If you want like minor changes here and there, we can still entertain your request. So I'm going to. A lot of boys kurtas will have off-white pant to go with. So I'll probably like not repeat it for every outfit, but show it for the first sample. Okay. So this is the boys kurta.
Ajrak print.
Ajrak print, cotton fabric, very comfortable for kids to wear. So when you shop for kids, you have to be like mindful of few other things, like it's going to be pricky or pokey. Is it easily wearable? Will the boy feel any discomfort wearing it? So this is one such kurta which is stylish at the same time festive and comfortable for the kids to wear. Priced at 750. This has like a patchwork in the upper panel. The lower panel is straight lines, so gives a very linear look, right? It has a full sleeve, simple regular kurta, priced at 715 without any lining. And this is the pant
The
that goes with
pants.
it. A straight cut pant. You this is priced at 400. So if you want
Elasticated.
just the kurta, we can ship that alone. If you want the complete set, we can do that. So sometimes parents, they probably like buy a large size of pant and then use it for multiple kurtas. So we want to like factor that in. So if you want to shop only for kurta, you can do that as well.
All right.
750 for the kurta, 400 for the pants. And this is all the prices that I will mention for any of the made to order items will be only for sizes until 6 years.
6 years.
Yes,
Okay.
and for sizes above that, the prices will have variation because of the additional fabric usage.
Yeah.
Okay, so which we can tell you when you send in your size details over WhatsApp
All right.
when
So
ordering.
precisely speaking, whatever prices are going to be revealed in today's episode are going to be for the category of clothes from starting from 0 to 6
6
years
years.
of age.
Yes.
Beyond 6 years of age, prices will vary. That you can ask Vasudha ji.
Yes.
She will give you the
All the
price list.
details to the accurate size that you're asking for.
Exactly.
And this is I think this is a very super cute skirt.
Cotton and tissue skirt.
Correct. It has like multiple panels going around. It's a full circle skirt. Now we had a previous model which was very much loved by a lot of people like across India. What we've done this time is added like a cut
Patch of
work
ajrak.
patch, here to make it like even more elevated, right? And the top is of a halter neck, has a very cute a peephole kind of a
Peephole pattern.
and then we are making it festive with the help of this additional tissue patch
Zari
on
patch,
the
yeah.
yes,
Tissue
it,
zari
it
patch.
looks very elegant and subtle, comfortable. Kids, they before they wear anything, they'll think whether it's going to be like poking me anywhere, and then they say yes to a dress.
So this is the look of the article. Very beautiful article. Your girl child, I mean, cute little girls will rock. in
She'll
this
love to
dress.
twirl also in a
Yeah.
heavy skirt.
Twirl, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
kids love to do that. And this is priced at 1450. Both the top and the skirt are completely cotton lined. Okay, so that's the first brother sister combination, and then we'll see the next one.
I think somebody's calling. Okay.
Have
Beautiful
ro-
bottle green. Beautiful bottle green. Beautiful twinning. Beautiful color.
Yeah.
I mean, it has weave, na?
This is
Zari
weaved fabric, and if you recall from Butterscotch's last episode, you would have found a kurta set for ladies in the
Yeah,
same.
yeah.
So if you want to twin as a family, you can do that.
Yeah,
Definitely.
family twinning.
Actually,
Yeah.
people wanted to see
That's the
twinning
right
out.
word. Actually, I was wondering what to give the name when everybody is pairing the same, color.
Yeah. So that's the skirt of the girl.
Yeah.
I'll give you probably like size reference. This is of a 6 to 7 years size. So आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हो कि आपके गर्ल के लिए कौन सा साइज लेना पड़ेगा. और I will tell you, it's not like I don't know to speak in Hindi. I'm more fluent in English, and I always probably like
I like when you speak in Hindi, Vasudha ji.
I can, like, if I'm not getting intimidated or feel like I'm probably miscommunicating something, I can definitely give it a shot. I don't mind at all. Okay, so I think it's interlinked somewhere, but I will just
Not
give
a
me one
problem,
second,
not a
Atarji.
problem.
I'll
You can
get
take
the
it.
skirt aside, and then I think we should be sorted. Yeah.
So this is the top.
This is the. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, this is the hanger stuff. Okay.
You can take it in hand, lift.
Yeah. So this is the top,
This is the top.
and it has this cute, you know,
Peter Pan neck, sort of. Yeah.
yeah, not Peter Pan
I mean,
completely.
it's from the same line
Yeah,
actually.
some frilly stuff
Frill,
going
hip
on.
style.
Yeah, and then the back also has the same thing carried around, and then you have a small peephole towards
Okay,
the.
now there are so many things on it. Sequence work, thread work, zari work, thread work, everything.
Can you guess the fabric, Atharji?
This fabric,
Mm-hmm.
can you begin in front? It's pure cotton.
Kora cotton.
Kora cotton.
Yeah,
Yes, yes. I was
Kora
about to say.
cotton and very nice embroidery work. You
Yeah.
will find regular embroidery on Kora cotton these days, but to find something with so much depth and sequence.
Acha, now this kind of sequence are rarely used in
Yeah.
today's time.
Yeah.
Because these are expensive ones.
Yeah.
And finished ones.
Yeah.
Look at the shine.
Yeah.
And you compare with the regular sequence and this sequence, there's a hell lot of difference.
Yep, yep. And we always like make sure there aren't any rough edges anywhere. So if you see the neckline, we've closed it with
The
the
piping.
piping borders of the plain fabric so that the kid does not feel any discomfort. So that's the crop top, and this is a regular plain skirt with cute little tassel detailing. Now the fabric is raw silk here. The fabric is Kora cotton with embroidery. So you can probably like guess some price ranges, but 1650 is the price of the article. The skirt, it needs to be properly pressed to be able to have this look. So take into consideration the efforts that go behind the scenes, and then I think you will probably like make sense out of the price points, or probably be more happy that you're probably paying a less price for such a good article. Now coming to the boys, both the top and the skirt are completely cotton lined again. So you can see the quality of cotton, the kind of finishing inside, just to make sure the kid does not feel any discomfort anywhere.
Yeah.
Plus the additional 1-inch allowance on both the sides for your growing child. Right now we have the kurta for the boy. This is again, I think this is of 2 to 3 years size. So you can, yeah, there is a long tag here. It's just 2 to 3 years size. The price of the article is 999, but you have a patchwork of the same girl's
this
top.
fabric is, I think, cotton silk. Yeah, this
Yeah,
is cotton silk.
cotton silk, completely weaved. It's a handloom fabric, and then you have the patchwork here of the same Kora cotton material, and then you have a little bit of patchwork towards the end also. Very straightforward kurta, very nice, and it looks classy when they
Yes,
wear designer outfits. It looks
Very
really,
classy,
and
very
it's not commonly available. You find like regular kurtas everywhere, but things of designer end. And for this price point, I think is a steal deal. So definitely,
deal offer.
yeah.
Exactly.
This is just for the kurta. If you want pants, the price will get added up to the cost of the outfit.
All right.
Okay. The next outfit is a beautiful twinning combination again. My personal favorite.
Yeah.
It's a handloom fabric, and
I
then
know. I think you were wearing a top also, no, in this fabric.
yeah,
Yeah, I remember.
we
that
have
adult
something
section.
coming up for adult section in the
Again,
same
family twinning.
again family twinning. So yeah, that's the handloom top. I will show the back in a bit, which is very cute, but the skirt part is of net, and behind the net you have satin. Satin is like, it's not sandtone. Sandtone is what you will get in the market. This is satin, and it's a very fine quality satin, so you can like use it multiple times and still have the same shine and gloss. Now the back, right?
Back is so nice.
There is no hook, there is no zipper, nothing of that nature, just a tie that you can like wrap around to
Wrap
the
around
size
and,
of
yeah.
the girl, and then tie it to her comfort and let her be free. So that's the top,
Very
and then this
pretty.
is the skirt, and
Skirt.
skirt has proper waistband. It's
Waistband.
not something which is not stiff for clinging to the, and again you can see we've used like non-sequence for the hip belt, just so that the kid is able to wear it well.
Exactly.
Okay, now the price of the article is I think we have it here, 1699. Again, until 0 to 6 years size. For sizes up, you can check with me separately. For the boys, we have the same fabric of the girls' yoke as a kurta. Looks super smart. I think boys will love to flaunt styles like this. And then you have it's a straightforward, back as well. We have a black dhoti pant to go alongside this with taping borders. Now, if the boy has like grown up, probably 5, 6, 7 years of size, and you don't want a dhoti pant, you want a straight pant, we can still make that happen as well for you.
Okay.
Okay, so the price of the article is 1450.
All right. So now I want to first. This is like, what should I say? I am running short of adjectives. This is so pretty. The color combination, the print, the flow, the styling. Oh my god.
So we'll discuss the boys one first.
Uh-huh.
The print, like you can see, is a Mughal inspired print.
Hmm.
It has the Mughal
Peacock motifs.
garden kind of an ambience in the print. The fabric is of poplin.
Poplin.
Doesn't need lining because of the texture of the fabric
I think
itself.
poplin is the supremest
King of cottons.
king of cottons, no?
Yes.
Seriously.
And the price of the kurta is 750. If you want to add on pants, we can do so at your request. And this is until 6 years of age. The price is 750. Now coming on to the lehenga set. It's a cute crop top with a V-neck, flutter sleeves, keyhole at the back, the same Mughal print, and then you have this kind of a curve
Arrangement,
towards
yes,
for the hem of the crop top, and then coming on to the skirt, it's a two color, like just to go with the theme of peacock, we've given like two shades of net.
shades.
The first is green and then the blue one, and then you have the same satin lining,
Yeah.
right, which is of super great quality, and then I think one layer of crepe as
crepe
well
lining.
to just give that puffiness to the
Puffiness and that kind of feel of the lehenga.
yeah. So this set is, I think, priced at 1799.
Okay.
The top is completely cotton line. Cotton lining for the reason that it gives you that finish. The boutique finish comes with, concealed stitching lines that don't show up. All the taping which is done on top. If there were no lining, you have to like finish it with a taping edge. And if you use a cotton lining, you can get rid of that and then finish the outfit like really beautifully. So for that reason, cotton lining, otherwise like not really required.
Tell me something. One more question. Just out of curiosity, I was just wanted to know what must be the rate per meter of the fabric, poplin fabric?
If you get it in retail, you will probably land up somewhere in 300, 350.
300 and 350, no?
Yes.
I know. I had that kind of, price range in my mind, but I was confused.
Poplin,
So
because
poplin
of
is
the
like very good quality cotton, no?
yeah.
So viewers, so are the prices of the articles.
Yes.
So these are all hand designed and customized as per the
Curated
requirement of
collections.
customers, है ना? So now what she does is she does a survey. Okay, people come up with various ideas, then she works upon it, and she comes out with the final product.
Yes.
है ना?
A lot
So
of test and
that's
trials.
how Nugget Kids functions.
Yes.
Okay? So if you have any kind of design in your mind, and if you want to share it with Vasudha ji, and if you want it in bulk, so please do let her know about your designs, so that she can work upon it.
Yes.
And you can have the stuff for your shop.
Yep. I think a lot of our previous customers will realize
Yeah.
that
We are
we've
having
taken
customers across the globe.
so
We
many.
are having, and people are waiting for this Nuggets Kids video. And last time when we introduced adult section also, na, for that also she is getting continuous queries. कि कभी आएगा वसुधा जी, कभी when is your next video going to be launched? But the limitation is she has to work on designs and get it ready. She has her own manufacturing, customizing it. It takes a hell lot of time. Actually.
Yeah, and for both kids and adults, I'll have to manage.
Yeah.
And that's the key challenge.
Such a beautiful design, Vasudha ji. Seriously, mind-blowing design. Seriously, I'm telling you.
One of
no
my
jokes.
favorites.
I mean, what a combination. I mean, this time the Raksha Bandhan edit is something very, very exceptional.
Thank you.
Very nice.
So this is a 3-piece set. I think we've had a lot of 2-piece lehenga sets, but I think kids also like this extra piece. It doesn't necessarily have to be like as elaborate and big as an adult one. So we've given a stole.
Super net.
Yeah,
super
stole.
knit dupatta.
Yeah, it's of stole
Stole
length
dupatta,
only.
yeah,
You don't
yeah,
have to like have a complete width here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a stole sized dupatta with the same kind of borders as that of the lehenga's daman.
Mughal borders.
Yeah, yeah. And then you have the top, which is like a very neat and clean Georgette embroidered. Yes.
Sorted dress.
Yeah. And the back
Wow,
looks
look
like
at
this.
the peephole. It's so cute.
And I think coming on to the bottom, you have the same
Satin,
satin lining
in
and then crepe lining to give that lehenga effect.
Mhm.
And then you have the closure is of a belt and then
Yes.
hook pockets towards
Beautiful,
them. You can
beautiful.
see the amount of hook pockets that we allow for.
Yeah.
So you can like
You can
definitely
compare the prices of high-end brands and compare the prices of Nuggets Kids. There is huge price difference, and still the quality is very good.
no compromise on
No
quality.
compromise on the quality, viewers. बिंदास you shop करें आप लोग और viewers सच बता रहा हूँ, you will really feel happy after receiving the product.
Yep. All you have to make sure is you give me the right measurements that you want. Yeah. Everything else will be taken care of.
Measurement is something which is very, very challenging.
Yes. And I think we have videos also that you can ask for as reference to if you do not know how to take a measurement, then you can like ask for those videos, take the same measurements and then give it to us. It shouldn't be like too difficult and we can assist you. 1699 is the price of the article. Top is completely cotton lined and it's a 3-piece set. So I think for a 3-piece set, this kind of a price point at this finish and quality is a bang for the buck for sure.
Wait, keep it like this. Show the kurta also. This is the boy kurta.
Yeah, this is the boy kurta. Again, the same theme going on as the girls one. You can ask for an additional pant, Georgette, but completely lined with cotton for kids' comfort. And then I think a full arm, regular regular kurta, but looks very classy when you wear it actually.
The color is so nice, onion pink.
Yeah. Price of this is 999 just for the kurta, and if you want pants, we can add it up.
Wait.
So next up is a tissue cotton combination.
Mind blowing, seriously.
This is a full length gown.
Full length gown.
The reference size, I can tell you, this is 3 to 4 years. So, you can imagine if you have a 3-year-old kid, you can like then know that this is not frock length, this is a complete full length gown. Regularly, you get frocks of this kind, but gowns, very difficult. Has like cute mirror work patch going on in the yoke end and then also towards the end of the gown. Looks very classy because of the intentional use of the mirror work in the sleeve end, also puff sleeve, cute peephole towards the back, nicely pleated up, has a good finish, and I'm going to tell you the prices 1250. Okay.
1250. Good.
Now we have the kurta for the boy, has the same color pants also, which I think I can show you from here, or if we can pull it outside also. But we have a tissue pant for this set. The kurta has the same vertical, instead of horizontal lines, we prefer doing the vertical lines for the boy. And then I think you have a cute little detailing which gives you that designer edge, right? And the price of the article is 1250. The top is completely cotton lined. The pant does not come with any lining. Right? And you can see we have given some additional fabric here. So if you want to like stretch it later for your growing boy, you can definitely take advantage. All our outfits, independent of boy or girl, they come with 1-inch allowance on both the sides, which you can then pull it up to 4 inches later.
This is such a nice thing.
Henga set and the kurta for the boy, which are both lovely in their own merits.
This is so classy. Boys kurta ka fabric is so nice. This is, I think, Georgette. Very fine quality Georgette. Let's see the kurta first. Boy first.
You're being partial to boys.
No. I mean, I couldn't stop myself from explaining the design of the kurta.
Do you want
it
to
looks so
take
stunning,
it a shot?
actually.
Do you want to explain it? Because I sometimes feel like, when you like something, you explain it like really better.
It's like so beautiful. I know, you explain, please.
Okay, this is a Georgette kurta with so many different colors of embroidery. All put together creates a very sophisticated look. And then you have, to just make it like even edgy and extra designer, you have a couple of taping details and an apple cut just on one side. The other side has regular square edge, and that's the back of the kurta, right? Makes it very classy. Just the kurta with complete cotton lining goes for 1050.
This is. I wish this was made for my size. Seriously.
Happy to. Always. And for any fathers looking to twin with their sons.
Seriously, it's so cute, yeah, this kurta is. And it has lining also inside.
Yeah, it has lining also inside. Now coming to the girls set, we wanted to make it cutesy again. So this is the crop top with nice sleeveless yet ruffle, wing sleeved straps,
Wing,
and
yeah.
then the back is regular, and then you have cotton lining inside completely. I think you can use this outfit to understand the kind of finish that we offer to our customers. So that's the top, and then I think you have the lehenga, which is of the quality of net also you can touch and feel, Atharji. It's not
super
the
net.
yeah. And then you have lining inside of satin as well as crepe to give that lehenga feel. Now this is priced at 1650 until 6 years of size.
ठीक है.
Okay, the last in the brother sister combination, I think, yeah. Uh, you can, so the idea is to have this also going on as combinations, because if you want to like have lines and stuff for boy, you can choose this kurta and have, probably some of this fabric in this place instead of the mirror work. But this is the girl set. It's a lehenga set. You can see that it has the same edge banding and neatly pleated up skirt with a little bit of border work towards the end. The top is of completely woven fabric. It has pink zari to just complement the color of the outfit, and then the color of the base color is actually turquoise.
Sea green, yeah.
Yes, very nice. And then you have tissue straps. You can see the back. The back is again very nice and elevated. The price of this article is 1350. Both the top and the skirt are completely cotton lined.
ठीक है. The last boy and girl.
Combination.
Brother sister.
And something which is, I think there are a lot of golden customers, I mean golden lovers in my customers.
So of course we
golden
have
customers
customers
also.
Silver, golden, bronze.
They
yeah,
love
customers.
golden, and an all gold look is something that they probably like look forward to and will
Yes,
appreciate
yes.
quite a lot.
Yes.
So this is like checks pattern, has a lot of jazz going on, mirror patchwork detailing going towards
Yeah,
the
false
hem.
mirror
Yes,
detailing.
yeah. And then the yoke also has the same mirror work. You have puff sleeves, edge finished with the same mirror patchwork, and then the back has a cute pothole detailing. This is a lehenga set. The top is completely cotton lined. The skirt is also completely cotton lined. You have a belt to fasten your skirt. The price of this is 1399. And then I think we have the kurta. The kurta also has the same. The boys should not be limited to just a simple kurta. They also need to have designer elements. So you have the golden mirror here, the same tissue fabric. It is also cotton lined completely, the kurta. And then you have the dhoti pants, which also has the same taping borders towards the edges. So the set is for 1250. Now I'm going to give you another option for the, one second, I'm going to pull it up. Now if you want to like have a kurta dhoti set like this,
Wow. Just wait. What's the price?
the price of this kurta dhoti set was 1250. I think we've discussed this already. So if you want to like team this up this way, we can customize and give it to
Even
you
this
as well.
looks very nice.
Very nice.
Contrasting color.
Yeah. So that brings us towards the end of the brother sister combinations. Now we'll have solo outfits for both boys and girls.
Yeah, boys and girls.
Yep.
So,
Solo sets, but party wear.
Patola.
Yeah, patola. Now, the beauty of this outfit, it's a three-piece set, and it doesn't have dupatta. So the three-piece set is of two skirts and a top that you can mix and match to create two different looks. Okay, so when you have especially growing kids, you just want to be like mindful of what you put on ethnics, especially because you're not going to use it like multiple times. So we just thought about it and then created looks that you can wear in the same year, probably in 2 different occasions, and still get the value for the money that you're paying. So this is one such. So this is the top. The top has like frilly edges towards the sleeves, and then it has keyhole
pattern.
yeah, and then you have a tie to fasten. Now the lehenga is of patola. This is cotton fabric. This is cotton fabric again. The top is completely
It's
cotton
print,
lined.
not the patola weave.
Yeah, and the bottom is not lined in both of the skirts, which is okay for, I think, kids, because they're going to wear it like once in a while, and then you're not going to use it for more occasions. So this is the second skirt. This is of rayon fabric.
Rayon, yeah.
And the print is of foil print.
Foil print, golden foil print.
Yeah, but it has the same taping as that of the top, to be able to like create that beautiful look for the second option as well.
Very nice.
Right. The price of this article now is 1650. Yeah.
All right.
This is for all the organza lovers, right? I think we can never not have enough of organza.
Water sequence and thread work.
Yeah, and what is, like you said, water sequence is like, I think it's God sent. So this is an A-line skirt, and then you have satin, and then I think you have crepe lining as well. All three, you can see the kind of finish, Atharji. When I speak of boutique finish, this is what I mean. Double, stitched, and then you can see here also nicely done up skirt, right? And then that's the full flare of the skirt, right? And then for the top, this is actually mix organza. This is the purest of organzas.
Water sequence.
Yeah, water sequence. And then I think you have keyhole, halter neck. Price of the article is 1750.
1750.
Yeah.
Can you pair it and lift it so that I can take a pic? Party wear, last article in party wear.
Yeah, and then this has 2 layers of net. It's a very heavy gown that kids can.
Beautiful gown, beautiful coffee color, rose gold color. Sorry.
Yeah. So it has like nice floral detailing also. Has an this is georgette yoke, and then you have leather finished. Yeah,
leather
this is,
gota.
Yeah, leather gota sequins also. Like if you see, these are like big
Very
and
good
small.
quality
And,
sequence.
yes.
Cap sleeves.
Cap sleeves, and that's the back. Back has complete zipper towards till the
Zipper.
I think it goes until here somewhere, so it doesn't have any discomfort while you pull it on and off. The price of the article is 2100.
2100.
Some South Indian kind of ethnics for sizes until I think 6 years. This time around, I think we had requests for sizes above that also. So I'm going to like show you some collections which we have starting 6 to 7 years until probably like 10 years of age. This is going to be a mixed bag, but you can always like inquire for prices or similar options which are available in the same price range. Sorry, same size range. So first is this one. Nice, you can feel the fabric. The fabric is of very fine semi silk. Right, the looks very subtle, has a lot of elephant motifs and zari work going on. Yoke has cute potly work, and then you have puff sleeve, elbow length, finished with patchwork towards the end of the border, and
buttons.
Yeah, we have buttons towards the front, closed with zipper towards the back. Now for price details, until probably like 7 years of age, it's going to be 1850. For sizes above that, you probably have to like check with me separately, and we'll share all the necessary details.
All right.
Okay. This is the second option that we have created. It has beautiful patchworked yoke, puff sleeves with borders, and then I think the color itself is like very beautiful, bright, and looks grandish. The color is of like
Bottle
peacock green, with bright pink color. So it's a very nice set. I think I've already given the price glimpse towards the beginning. 1718 is usually the range of these gowns. You can check with me separately, and I'll show you all the available options in the size that you're requesting for. This has like nice kantha stitches, and then I think same potly buttons you have, and then pleated kind of pleats. So you can, I think, take inspiration from the kind of sleeves that you like, yoke that you like. If you want to like have it in a different color combination of your choice, you can still let me know, because all of these fabrics are within our reach, so we can source it for you and still make it to your requirements as well. Nice, mustard color with turquoise combination, something which is like one off and looks very nice. So this is one such. The next is, I think, a bottle green and bright pink combination. Has a nice patchwork in the yoke, and then look at the beauty of the color and the combination.
Copper zari.
Yeah, copper zari. Has
Copper zari.
yeah, a lot of, I think, peacocks towards the hem. And if for this quality of zari work, if you probably like look for prices in other brands or pages, you will know that these are going to be like, either you will, for the same price, you will get a lesser quality of work, or an amped up price. So I think here we have a balance of price and quality. I always like make sure the quality is up to the mark, otherwise I don't even like take it into production. So this is one such combination. So I think I've given you about 4 combinations. We have more, so if you want to like have more choices, you can reach out to
So
me.
this is in Kota blend.
Yeah, this is actually super net tissue.
Okay, okay. This sorry. This is super net tissue.
Yeah. Very nice.
The sheen is of Kota actually.
Yeah, the look
fabric
is of
sheen.
Kota,
Yeah,
and it has tissue for
it
sure.
has tissue.
Yeah.
And half portion is plain tissue, and if you go towards the down portion, I mean the hemline, so it has the border actually. So it is in Banarsi weave.
Yeah.
Hmm?
True.
It's in Banarsi weave.
True. The yoke portion has nice deers
Shikarga motif.
running around
Yeah.
in 2 different, I think, zari colors. One is,
Yeah.
I think, light gold, and the other is silver.
Hmm.
And then you have nice, samosa, nimki detailing going on.
Yeah.
The back is also
Shikarga.
yeah, and that completes the outfit. Like, for smaller
Balloon sleeves,
functions,
yeah.
you can definitely like, I think it's coming to my size if I stand here. So I think this should be like 12 to 13 years of size. So even we have sizes until that for kids. Just to like show you one reference, so that you don't have any hesitations that probably they make only for smaller kids. I can't get anything for bigger kids. So this is like, I just want to show you a glimpse so that you can like, if you have kids of that age, you can look for collections from me. This is again Banarasi, semi silk,
Beautiful, beautiful.
little pricey towards the higher side, and rightly justified so because of the cut work. This is Ari, this is hand embroidered, and then you have, this is also hand embroidered, so you can like see the finish and find the difference between something which is probably like machine embroidery versus hand.
Yeah.
You have organza puff sleeves, which is elbow length, finished with the zari borders, and the
Tissue
color
organza, yeah.
yeah. So the price of the article, it's completely cotton lined. You have all the allowance like every other outfit. The price is 3200, and we have 3 more color options. The other is Rani pink. You have
Mehendi
green, and then wine.
color. Superb. Fantastic.
All of these are like very rich, extremely, pocket friendly for the quality this is, and something which cannot be beaten by other players. Exclusive of Nuggets Kids, and you can definitely like reach out to us for any such requirements for your upcoming functions as well.
Great.
Awesome. So last time we showed you some mix and match lehenga sets. We soon ran out of stock on those colors, so we probably don't have the colors that we showed you last time in the sizes that you might want because of us running out of stock. Now we've added more colors, which are also available on the website. If you want like check out for all the available colors, you can check in the website. But I'm going to quickly show you. These are all priced at 899. Super fine net fabric, satin lining, and then one layer of crepe for comfort. They're all priced at 899. So the first is this purple shade, yeah, and then you have this
Pista green.
yes, and
Turmeric
then
yellow.
yes, and then you have
baby
pink, and
Then
we've
we have
added
peach
peach, and we have many more such colors which are going to be like constantly coming in and out. So if you have any requirement for particular color, or if you want like mix and match, I think those are the tops you can maybe
Wait, huh?
pan
These
it.
are the crop tops.
Yeah.
Crop top number 1, crop top number 2, crop top number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, mirror work, 9, 10, beautiful color onion pink, bottle green, maroon, dark maroon, happy yellow, turmeric
Mustard.
yellow, butterscotch color, and the black color.
Yeah.
So there are so many options available in this category, and accordingly you can pair it with any of the skirts.
Yeah.
And skirts, if you want any other color, that will be made available to you
Yeah.
upon request.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's next?
We have boys quad sets.
Boys quad sets. I think there was a maddening rush last time.
Yeah.
So which is why we have to restock boys quad sets.
We didn't have sizes when people asked towards the end. We didn't have sizes. I had to say no to some people. People who came in early, they got a lot of what they liked actually. Towards the end, it was like very little options. So we necessarily had to restock it this time. The fun, I think, comes from the kind of prints that we have. So I'll quickly show you the fabric and the price point for that particular print. Okay. So the first is
Chicago print.
yes, giraffe with palm trees. So very cute print.
Very cute and pure cotton.
It's not. It's actually linen viscose. You can see the texture at the back.
Yes. Linen viscose.
Okay. So the price is 750.
But it's skin friendly.
Very skin friendly, and with washes it becomes even more softer.
More softer.
Yeah. It's because of the print that you have that initial shine, because of the digital printing on top of this fabric.
You have that glossy finish.
Yeah, edge. Yeah. As you wash it and use it,
it will become matte.
Yes. Now the price is 750 for all the linen viscose quad sets. The price is going to be the same until 6 years of age again. After that, there will be like minor price variations, which we can update you when you inquire for these articles. The second is this, again green, but a different shade, and has like nice nature work going on with like helicopters and houses and trees, all the familiar objects that kids will have. Yeah. So this is again 750, same linen viscose fabric. I'm going to finish all the linen viscose first. This is tropical fruits. Nice for your Goa vacation.
Yeah.
Even boys have something fun to wear. Like you can wear these separately as quad sets, or you can like wear a tee inside. Wear it like a jacket. To feel. Yeah. You can vibe with the time that you're spending. So if you want becque wear kind of thing, you can like wear it accordingly. This is guitar musical theme for music lovers in boys. So guitars and stuff, which is this is also a very loved print. We haven't, I think, even uploaded them in the website yet, but the moment this goes live, I'm sure this will be one of the hot picks. And then we have dinosaurs.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is also Ataji, I think I'll have to pause and go to the washroom once. So we have some cotton editions. We're going towards the festive season, but we keep adding in few cottons here and there because they run around the year. So this is the first one in bottle green. It has a cute bow detailing, strap sleeves, and then the yoke is completely cotton lined. The bottom is not. It is completely like pleated up. It's not gathering finish. The price is 750. The next is this pink color. It's
stitch.
Coral.
Cap sleeves.
Cap sleeves, and then V-neck. Yoke is completely lined. Zip for the closure, and is priced at 750 again. And then we have this blue frock. Again, the same pattern as the previous one, V-line. With puff sleeves though, and then you have cute gauging detailing. Yoke is completely cotton lined, 799. Then the next is again a Kantha cotton frock. This has bit more flair than the other ones. Has puff sleeves, and then you have the same V-neck, and then the zipper back. Has tie also for convenience. It's priced at 849. And then this is, I think, a quads set for girls. Yeah, it's a shorts and a top. Let me just quickly remove it. Okay, so this is the shorts, simple regular shorts that you can still also wear it with your regular t-shirts, and then a crop top like this with frill details towards the end, and then you have a v-neck, puff sleeve. The back has hook for closure, and then I think the price of the article is 999. The top is like completely cotton lined here, and then you have a rayon cord set. Yeah, going to pull out the shorts, but the shorts is, I think, straightforward regular of the same print, same print. And then I think you have the top which has collared neckline, and then some frills going on towards either side of the button placket, and then I think you have puff sleeve with bordering. You have pleated details towards the front and
What
back.
is camouflaged?
Ah, the
So,
price is 899.
899.
And this is also completely cotton lined in the yoke portion. So those are the new additions that we have in the casual wear category. Now for the boys, we have, last time I think it was a mad rush
Acha?
for the quads for the boys.
Okay, just
So
wait.
print,
Dinosaurs print.
yeah,
Yeah.
all the dinosaur lover. I think the boys can at least in one stage of their childhood they would love dinosaurs for sure. So 750 linen viscose again, and then I think we have this. This is just a geometrical print with palm trees. Palm trees is, I think, the theme of the season this time around. So you can definitely go for one. You can plan it for your holidays also. Same, I think, linen viscose fabric, 750, and then I think you have one for again vacation. Very nice color combination. Palm trees, boats, all speak loud of your vacation. So 750 again. For this is the trousers. The trousers, I think, if you want to like take a closer look of the finish, I think the trousers,
Good.
you have astronomical, space kind of print. This was also one popular theme from the last,
Satellite print.
yeah, theme. I mean, people liked to collect space kind of outfit. So this is one similar one. Fabric is like very nice. I can already like feel it's very good.
Very good.
750 for the set, and then I think we have couple more helicopters in the shade of gray. This is also nice, 750. The linen viscose set. This is again one favorite print theme, which is of
Vehicle, yeah.
tractors and diggers.
Diggers,
So
yeah.
that's again one beautiful one. Pandas for sleeping babies. This is again viscose linen, 750 for the set. Now the last one in the linen viscose section is this palm tree beach
Palm
theme.
tree.
Yeah, this is again 750. All very beautiful colors. Now I think we have one in cambric cotton, which is again 750. This is rabbit printed in peach color. This is also very nice. This is the shots of the set, and then I think we have couple in linen fabrics.
This I love this print. Huh?
It's a tiger print, yeah.
Tiger
The
print.
fabric is also like very
nice.
premium.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. So this is priced at, I think, 899. 899 because of the fabric.
Very nice.
This is tiger one, and then you have star in linen as well.
Starry nights.
Yeah. So this is again in linen. This is again same 899 for the price. So that's the shots. Yeah.
All right. That's it.
That's it.
All right. So that was all. That was all at Nuggets Kids in today's episode, viewers. कैसा लगा आपका एपिसोड, कैसे लगे कपड़े आपको, प्लीज़ बताइएगा कमेंट करके इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड डू शेयर योर फीडबैक, एंड वट एवर you need from Vasudha ji in future, do let her know so that she can work upon your requirement. Okay, Thank you, viewers, all for your love and support as usual. And thank you, Vasudha ji, once again.
Thank you
So,
so
with this sweet
much.
note, we come to an end. We will catch up with you very soon. Till then, goodbye and happy shopping. Thank you.